Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
80-year-old Shantabai Saurya has just returned from fields. She works in farms, not her farm, but she runs small errands in other farms, in other people's farm. Now, in this age also she has to work. Why? Because of these two kids standing over here. These two kids are her grandchildren. She lost her only son in this lockdown. He actually committed suicide. The Tachore committed suicide by hanging himself in this very house. And the reason was that he had he had a loan of some 15 to 20 lakh rupees. He couldn't pay for the medical expenses of his wife, who had a surgery. And after that, he was being troubled for the repayment of loan, and this lockdown worsened the situation. Due to the lockdown, he couldn't work anywhere, he couldn't sell his crops, he couldn't get financial help, and as a result of that, he committed suicide. Now the trauma of this family does not end here. These two kids standing over here, they are now waiting for their mother to come back home, and they do not know when they shall see her again. Their mother, after the death of the father, became mentally unstable. She has lost her senses, and now she just roams around in this entire village here and there. She has not come home for days, and now the kids have also lost hope that someday their mother will turn back to normal and come home. We speak to Shantabai Chaure over here. आजी, तुमच्या मुलांनी सुसाईड का केलं होतं?
त्याला कर्ज लय झालं होतं. तुझी बायको पडली, घर गांठलं, 9 लाख रुपये झालं. तरी बी त्या बायकोला सांभाळीत होता. ती लई चाती करायला लागली, दगडच घालायला लागली, आम्हाला मारलं. आमची कपडे लत्ता सगळे जाळून ठेवलं. आमचा हातरा पांघरायचा बिछाना सगळा जाळला. आम्हाला राशन पाणी बी आणलेलं पडक्यात नेऊन मतीत होती.
ते त्यांच्या आत्महत्येच्या नंतर ती अशी झाली?
नाही, आधीच करीत होती. आणि त्याच्या पायातच गेला ते.
अच्छा. So she says her daughter-in-law had an accident, and after that her medical bills went up to 15 to 20 lakhs. It was her son who was paying for the medical bills. He couldn't afford the bills, and further the wife's condition deteriorated even more. So after that he slipped into depression. He had mortgaged this house for 9 lakh rupees. He couldn't arrange for the rest of the money, and thus in that depression he killed himself. आजी, तुम्ही आता काय काम करते, कुठे काम करते तुम्ही?
कुठं लागलं तर जाते, नाही लागलं तर बसते घरी.
कुठे कुठे जाते तुम्ही कामाला? शेतात जाता की घरगुती काम करता?
नाही, शेतात जाते. घरगुती कामं मिळत नाही तिथं.
नाही देत? शेतात काय काम करता तुम्ही?
काय गवत बिवत काढायचं.
She says no one over here gives her any household work, looking at her age. So she is forced to work in fields, in farms of other people. During the harvesting season, she works in the field, and sometimes she gets some work, sometimes she doesn't get some work. आजी, दिवसात किती कमवता तुम्ही?
200 रुपये.
She earns 200 rupees per day, that too on days when she gets a job. When she doesn't get a job, she doesn't earn anything. तुमची सून कुठे आहे आजी आता?
काय माहिती नाही.
काय माहिती नाही. कधीपासून ती घरी नाही आली आहे?
10वा महिना झाला. जसा नवरा मेला 3 दिवस नवऱ्याला झालं, गेली ती आलीच नाही. आली होती, दगडं घेऊन आली लेकरसनीच्या मागं. त्यांना मारून तळ्यात टाकीन म्हणते ती.
So it's been 10 months that her daughter-in-law has not come back home. She doesn't know where she is. She just heard stories from the villagers that she has been seen here on the bus stop, here and there, but she doesn't know. 3 days after Datta Chaure died, she left her home and she just vanished from here. Ever since that, she has not yet returned. आजी, हे मुलं शाळेत जातात?
हा, जाते.
कोणत्या स्टँडर्डमध्ये आहेत?
पहिली कुठं होता रे तू?
8वी
8वी आणि ही
3री.
तिसरी. So these kids, they go to the village school. She's in 3rd and he's in 8th standard. अजय, स्कूलची फी वगैरे कसं तुम्ही हे देतात? खर्च कसं चालवता तुम्ही?
त्याचं वडील चालवत होतं तेव्हापासून नाही मी चालवलं.
नाही चालवलंय. आणि स्कूलचा खर्च
त्याच्या वडिलांनी चालविला होता, मी नव्हता चालवला.
आता ते जातात स्कूलला की ते बंद आहे?
बंद आहे.
मग आता किती महिने झाले ते स्कूलला नाही गेलेत?
1 वर्ष झालं.
So, due to the lockdown, of course, the schools are shut here. The schools have not reopened yet, but she has no plans in sending them back to school as she doesn't have any money. She doesn't have any money to send them to school. She can't afford her education, so she doesn't know if they will ever go to school or not. अजय, तुमचं मला सांगा, तुमचं आणखीन कोण नातेवाईक आहेत का
कुठे?
इथे कुठे?
कोण नाही.
तुमच्या नंतर तुमच्या नंतर अजय, तुमच्या नंतर ह्या मुलांचं काय?
त्याला देव परमेश्वर काय करणार आहे. हाय तोवर जगवीन. एक चुलता आहे, ती बी मुंबईला आहे. घेतलं ठीक आहे, नाही घेतलं माझ्या माघारी ठीक आहे.
कोणाची ताई? तुमची
अं?
ताई कोणाची? कोण आहे मुंबईला?
मोठा मुलगा.
तुमचा मोठा मुलगा. ओके.
ती सांभाळत नाही.
हां.
जर त्यानं माझ्या माघारी जर भावाची लेकरं आहे ती म्हणून थोर होतेली खातेली कशी तरी करून. आता सध्या कुणी नाही मला.
She says she doesn't have any relative over there. She has an elder son who stays in city in Bombay, but he's refused to take care of his brother's kid. He even does not look after his mother. He has not come over here since a very, very long time. See, she doesn't know what will happen to her kids after she's gone. She says till the time she's alive, she'll take care of them. But after that, they are left to God. They're just left to fend themselves. आजी काही आणखीन बोला. हे जे घर त्यांनी घरावर पण लोन काढलेलं आहे ना तुमच्या मुलांनी, हे तुम्ही कसं हे लोन तुम्ही कसं वापस देणार?
कशाने देणार आहे वापस?
तुम्हाला बँकवाले येतात विचारायला?
येतात कधी कधी.
मग काय बोलतात तुम्हाला?
काय बोलते, पैसे दे म्हणते. ते मी म्हणलं नाही.
She says there is a loan of 9 lakh rupees on this house. The bank people often pay her a visit and they ask her to pay the money, but she says she doesn't have any money and she cannot repay them back. Till now she has this house with her, but she's uncertain for how many days this her home will be with her, what will happen to the kids and what the future hold for these kids. This is just one house where you have seen such painful stories. There are many other homes in this village, in other villages outside Usmanabad, in Marathwada, where there are more tragic tales to say. With Shiva Devnath, this is Nazia Syed for Mojo Story, Usmanabad.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.